Hi, I just received this Samsung Galaxy Note 7 just now. It is 64 GB. It is coming in the market day after tomorrow, 2nd of the September, thanks to Carphone Warehouse and thanks to EE, which I received today. With the Carphone Warehouse, I have this gear. We are free with the handset on a pre-order. Okay, let's see the handset 64 GB. Side open. Alright, and right. European SIM cards only, obviously. Yes. Samsung. Okay. Come on. There is a handset. I bought in a black color. It's quite nice, lovely looking. This beautiful, very thin. It's a Samsung Galaxy Note Edge. It's black color. It's lovely diamond, beautiful diamond. This is beautiful build, sturdy phone. It's waterproof. It's shockproof. It's lots of features. I haven't even looked through what else in the box. Let's see what else there. Okay, yes, there is a pin to the SIM in, charger, data cable. Right. Okay. What is that? USB connector. Okay. That. And very good. Right. Plug. And my hand free in a black color. It's lovely. It's beautiful. Right. It's time to go to work as well. I think I will look my baby properly when I come back. Don't have a time. I'll download another video later on. Turn on and I'll show you some features. It is beautiful. It is beautiful. There is no doubt at all. Right. Okay. So wait for my next video. I'll show you some of the features.